Hi, in this video I will show you how to fix can't sign into your iCloud. So the process is pretty simple. So if you are facing this problem on your iPhone, you can't access your iCloud. This happens sometime because of your weak internet connection. Make sure you have a strong internet connection on your iPhone device. So after that you can try to log into your iCloud account. Maybe you will log into your account, but if you still having the same problem, you can update your iPhone, and once you will do it, try to log in again to your account. And one more thing, if you are facing this problem, you have to check whether you are enter the right credentials like username or the password. Maybe you are entering wrong credentials to your iCloud. So if you don't remember your username or password, simply forget your password, and you will get back to your iCloud account. So in this way you can solve this problem. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time.